Welcome to this video, where we'll dive into solving a common issue when working with Fluent UI vertical bar charts in React applications. If you've ever struggled with getting the x-axis values to show up without a separator, you're not alone. This problem can be frustrating, especially when you've spent hours trying to troubleshoot it. But don't worry, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to tackle this issue and get your chart looking just the way you want it. In this video, we'll explore why Fluent UI vertical bar charts sometimes refuse to show x-axis values without a separator, and more importantly, what steps you can take to resolve this problem. Whether you're new to React or an experienced developer, this tutorial is designed to provide a clear step-by-step explanation that's easy to follow. To understand why Fluent UI vertical bar charts behave in this way, let's first talk about the importance of separators in charts. Separators play a crucial role in making data more readable and understandable by breaking up large numbers into smaller parts. However, sometimes we want our x-axis values to be displayed without these separators for various design or readability reasons. One key concept to grasp here is how Fluent UI processes its chart data. By default, Fluent UI vertical bar charts are designed to handle large data sets efficiently, which includes automatically determining the best way to display axis values based on the scale of your data. This can sometimes result in values being displayed with separators if the chart determines that this format makes the data easier to read. However, there's good news: you have control over how these values are displayed. The solution lies in understanding and manipulating the properties provided by Fluent UI for customizing its chart. One of the most useful properties for controlling axis value display is related to formatting. By adjusting how your x-axis values are formatted, you can instruct Fluent UI to show these values without separators. Think of it like this. Imagine your x-axis represents a series of years from 2020 onwards, and you want each year to be shown in its full form, e.g. 2020, 2020, 2021, rather than with separators. By tweaking the formatting property, you're essentially telling Fluent UI how you want these values to look. The trick here is understanding what format string to use that aligns with your needs. The good news is that once you grasp this concept, applying it across various chart types and data sets becomes relatively straightforward. To recap, the key points. 1. Understanding separators. Recognize why separators are important in charts, but also understand when you might want to show values without them. 2. Customizing with properties. Familiarize yourself with the properties provided by Fluent UI that allow for customization of chart displays, particularly those related to axis value formatting. 3. Formatting for display. Learn how to use format strings to control the display of your x-axis values without separators. That's it. Wow. By now, you should have a solid understanding of why Fluent UI vertical bar charts might refuse to show x-axis values without a separator, and more importantly, what you can do about it. Remember, the key is in understanding how to customize these charts, using their properties. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials and explanations on solving common issues with React and Fluent UI. Have any questions or topics you'd love me to cover next, please? Let me know in the comments below.